What's up, Monster Club? We did it. We hit 200 subscribers, and to get back to you guys, I'm going to be doing a shoe giveaway on the 24th of March, 7 o'clock. I'm going to be going live, doing some unboxings, and just chatting up with you guys. And again, thank you guys so much. I'm so appreciative, and it means the world to me to accomplish that milestone. But we're just getting started. We're just getting warm. So 200 is cool, but 2 million is better. So anyway, we're going to keep grinding. We're going to keep working, and we're always going to party on. So let's get it. Yo, what is up, YouTube and the Monster Club? It is yours truly, the life of the party, the young Gohard, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm luckier than the damn leprechaun because I am the party monster. Back in the house with Monster, back out with a brand new video, and in today's video, I got a very special pickup that comes courtesy of the GOAT app. I 100% know what's inside this box. It's actually a double up of a shoe that you guys have seen fairly recently, but I had to pick this up because I got it for a really great price and everything, and I couldn't pass it up. So, yes, I'm going to show you guys what's inside this box. But again, like I mentioned earlier in the video, thank you guys so much for 200 subscribers. And, yes, I will be doing a giveaway the 24th and everything. So, if you guys haven't already, you still have some time to hit that subscribe button and get yourself locked into a chance to win some free shoes from your boy, the Party Monster. Hell, subscribe. Tell your friends, tell your families. The more subscriptions we get, the more I can do for you guys. And like I said, my other content that's going on right now, if we reach 284 subscribers by the 5th of April, I will be giving away 3 copies of WWE 2K24. And right now you're at 201, so I know y'all can crush that goal within like the next 3 weeks or so. You guys have actually been killing it and everything, so I know y'all got this and everything. So I'm not worried at all. But anyway, today, got a pickup from GOAT. I'm super excited to show you guys this one. And yeah, it's been a really crazy week. For those that do not know, your boy actually did get featured on the Beatbox app. So again, huge thank yous to Beatbox for doing that. Like, I was pleasantly surprised. Like, that actually was really cool and everything to wake up to a picture of myself and whatnot. So that was pretty cool. But anyways, hope you guys are all having a safe, great, and blessed day. I know I am and everything. So yes, without further ado, let's get it. Okay, so we all know what it is. This Sunday is St. Patrick's Day, one of my favorite times of the year. I love drinking, I love the color green, so of course you already know your boy's gonna get crazy that day, and I'm definitely inviting you guys to go check out that vlog that I'm gonna be dropping next Monday, and I have something really dope dropping that Sunday as well for St. Patrick's Day, a very special St. Patrick's Day Sunday shoe review, a shoe that you guys won't be seeing very often on YouTube and everything, but it is a fire retro shoe nonetheless, and I'm super excited to show you guys that it's one that I've been holding on to for a while now, and I don't know, I thought it was just time to show you guys it. So yes, other than that, here's a little bit of a sneak preview of what you guys are going to be seeing on foot that day. These are the Jordan 13 Lucky Greens, one of my favorite shoes, especially because it just fits so well for St. Patrick's Day. I have definitely been one of those people that say, you know what, I don't have a single green shoe, but then realize I have like 7 green shoes. So, yeah, I would have probably reviewed these, but these are actually my beater pairs. I have a dead stock pair somewhere in my room upstairs, but couldn't find them in time for the video. But it is what it is, and other than that, let's take a quick toast with Beatbox because they rock with the boys, so why would I not drink anything but Beatbox? So, here's to the Monster Club and 200 subscribers. You guys are the best. We're drinking Blue Raz, of course. And here's the Beatbox featuring your boy on their app. I'm still in shock and awe. That's awesome. Here's to hopefully a new job tomorrow. Crazy, I actually have 2 job interviews tomorrow. And yeah, should be fun. But other than that, I've talked your guys' ear off enough. Let's get into this box. Again, I know what it is. You've seen this shoe on this channel before. Yeah, this one comes courtesy of the GOAT app. And surprisingly, they don't have a box. I thought they did, but it's whatever. It's all about the shoe. It is another pair of the Jordan 1 Beach Corals. Check them out, They're my true size, I want to say 9.5. Regardless, it'll fit regardless, so I'm not that worried about it. But check them out. Here is the right shoe. Let me show you guys the left shoe as well. here with the left shoe, and as you guys can see, these are super clean. I think I got these for like $83, something crazy like that. And they don't have the other two laces. They do come with a white pair and a pink coral pair of laces, but it is what it is. Honestly, I just wanted another shoe that I could switch off to because they were kind of trashing my shoes at work and everything, so I was like, hold my beer, I got this. So I got these for a really good price and thought, you know what, this can be like my new beater shoe. So here they are. Again, I don't know why people like just take the extra laces. Like I've never gotten it. It's like the same craziness as like the lace locks themselves. Like, why do you need them if you don't have the shoe? Whatever. I mean, you know, it's all about the shoe at the end of the day, but still, it's so weird. What size are these? I want to say these are a 9.5 if I'm not mistaken. Slight creasing on the toe box, but it's a shoe. I'm gonna wear it. No big deal. Hell, I might even switch out the laces and put green ones in this weekend. So, yeah, overall, I really rock with this shoe. I definitely have to do a review on these and on foot for you guys as well. But I don't know, I just really think this colorway is fire. I know they have the Jordan 1 black and white that just released. It looks so much similar to these. Like, it's actually the same damn shoe, but I don't know, I just really rock with this colorway regardless. Okay, guys, so that's going to do it for this unboxing and your guys' second look at the Jordan 1 Bleach Corals. I love this shoe. That's why I had to double up on it. Hell, if I see it for another good price, I might triple up. Who knows? But, yeah, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button. Definitely share it with a friend. And as always, if you feel the vibe, hit subscribe. Hell, if you want a chance at free shoes, hit the subscribe button. But other than that, as always, you guys can follow me on X at PartyMonster1 and on Instagram at PartyMonster05. But until then, remember, don't be a dick. Be excellent to each other. Party on, dudes. Peace. I love y'all. Bye.